Well, there goes Rusty on a test drive. That's new. Is it? Yeah, it is. Yep. Rusty McTruckface test drive. Wonder how that's gonna go. Look, Rusty's great. You guys know it. Stop it right now. Let's look at this as a possibility of something fantastic. And what is that? Truck shopping. Come on. All right. Back to the video and stuff. Hey kids, yeah. Something happened. You saw a little bit in the beginning, but that's fine. Let's go look at some trucks. Right now. It's like 40 degrees out. Yeah, I got the window down. That's how cool it is. And normally I don't open up the sunroof at all, but boom, there it is. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go take a look at some trucks, and we're gonna bring you along. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's Sunday. Now, do I have my checkbook? Yes. Do you guys want to know what happened to Rusty? Well, I'll tell you later. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna just pop around, look at some stuff. I got the hybrid going. Yeah, it's not hybriding right now, but it's going. I'm just gonna stop talking. This is just rambling now. All right, here we go. Kids, we're here at the first place. This is called Bob and Jill's Driving By. I want to point something out. This guy right here, Scott's Radiator. It's been here forever. And if you need your radiator done and you're right here in town, boom, that's the guy. Boom, right there. Right there. Right there. All right, we looked at the front row. Let's not do that anymore. Because I'm not going to spend 20 G's on a truck's gonna sit around, or will I? Who knows? Let's quit it. All right, now we're back in the back part here. Let's check it out. Well, hello, what's your name? Look like you're a Mazda B2300. So it looks like to me. Oh, let's back up. Oh, it's red. Oh, it's red. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's red. It's a weird bed thing. I don't know. Looks like it's pretty decent shape-ish. I don't know. Taillights look good. Yeah, give him a call. Why not? What the hell? Got some scrapes on it. I think that's okay. Huh. It's actually in really good shape. It's two-wheel drive flavor. What did that say? It's traceable by law enforcement. Okay, don't touch it. Gonna. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Oh yeah, that's everything you need. 85,000 miles on it. Man, oh man, she's a 5-speed. Yep. Glass looks good. Hey, what are you missing on there? Oh, I'm sure we could make that look something. Oh, whoa, what's this? What's going on here? It looks like a whiskey dent, maybe? I don't know. That's something. That's a thing. Maybe. Then we got something over here. Let's go take a peek. There's an Avalanche flavor. 2002. The billion miles on it. Got a little cracked cup windshield wingos. But look, it's got all the plastic. That's fun, huh? No, I've had an Avalanche before. That lays down. It's a whole cool thing. Let me take a closer look. I'm going to show you something that's the best thing I've ever seen in my entire life. The brand on these tires is actually Ling Long. That's awesome. I almost said bad. Ling Long. That's fantastic. I don't care. I might buy this for that. All right, one more peek. I don't know. I think I kind of dig it. Pretty blank slate. I can figure out what's going on with that bumper and pull it up, maybe. You know, something. Depends on the price. Depends on the price. I'm guessing it's not too expensive. I'll tell you what, I don't hate it. Yeah. That's two quality candidates. All right, where are we going now? No, we can't do that. All right, on to the next. Something we're not going to do today is we're not going to go to the big dealerships, you know, Chrysler, Ford, Chevy, Toyota. No, we're not going to do that. My checkbook's only so deep, and right now it doesn't matter because it's Sunday. So we're going to check out another little dealership just up the road here. I'm completely on the other side of town already, which is fantastic. Hey, this place sells toppers, so you know, in case you're wondering. No, we're not going to go to Ford. We're past the Ford dealership right now. What I should do is I should probably get a beverage. What do you think? Yeah, I think so too. All right, went to the gas station to get something to drink, right? Then something fantastic happened. Yeah, they were getting ready to, they were timed out. And they were just getting ready to toss them. So this old boy got himself a gas station breakfast sandwich. Ham, egg, and cheese croissant. Croissant. It's French, I think. Something. But it's got something called potassium lacetate in it. I don't know what that is, but it probably isn't good. And then it's got, I don't know what a hydrogenated palm oil. I don't know what diglycerides are, but this all sounds bad, so we're going to stop talking about it. Breakfast sandwich, though. On to the next. Let me tell you guys a secret. When you're out doing stuff and you're eating a gas station breakfast or whatever, cheeseburger. These are good. Anyway, make sure you're wearing clothes or you can wipe your hands off on your pants. Now, don't tell anybody I said that, but do that. I found one that I seem to be, I kind of like it. It's a 06 F-150. It says it's rare. I think they made like 700,000 of these. Just this one. It is a Lariat. It has neating tires. Yeah, it does have a 5.4. We don't know. So it's got all the options. It does have a lot of them, like seats and steering wheel and stuff. Oh, it's got no warranty. None. It says none in bold like 4 times. But it doesn't look all rusted out. There's some, of course, you know, but it's got whatever this is. That's not going to happen. There are some others too, but I don't know that I can see the. Anyway. It's got a hitch. That's something. The 5.4 though makes me worried because of everything you already know. It actually looks pretty good. Got running boards. It's got a shifter on the floor and column. 6 CD player. 6. That's 6 changes, man. Well, yeah, it's actually not horrible. All right, I'm gonna turn around so you guys see. Yeah, I got the daily with me. Yeah, it's not horrible. It just bothers me the Triton V8 5.4. I don't really. It's plugged in. That's means it's got a block heater maybe, or it's got a battery charger underneath it. I don't know. Can't be long bed Fred, I'll tell you that. Be long bed Ted maybe. But it looks really nice inside. Only 139,000 miles on it. Man, it would be too bad. I'll just have to see if this is the years that are terrible. 2010 Silverado. It's cream colored something. It's not too rusted out. It's got a little bit of, you know, stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on back there. It's orange though. But it does have, you know, a pipe big enough to put your face in. You should know what the price was. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. It's got Geo Handler, Yokohamas. I just stepped in mud. I'm glad. I hope it was mud. Another Silverado here. I don't know what year it is. Newer than what I probably want to spend. Stuff. Yep. 14, 20,000 bucks. No. 14,000 bucks. Not a thing. Not gonna be a thing. What do we got here? An 04. Says lots of life left. That. Yep. That worries me. It's got a Panasonic TV. What? Okay, I gotta look. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but the rest of it's rusty. That's cool. But it is a crew cab flavor. Wow, look at that. You got a shorter bed. I like to find something that's not, you know. See, none. But it's got leather with an H. Turn signal mirrors. I mean, what do you want? Not an Expedition, I'll tell you that for free. All right, one more place to go. We're gonna just go zinging right past the house. It's just down the road from us, and we'll see. Yeah, that was a quick drive through. There's nothing. But I did see something cool that I kind of forgot was up here. Hold on a second. Yeah, it's just right here. Forgot there was a salvage place right by my house. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk to them about maybe doing a walk around. All right, we're just about home. We're, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna wrap this thing up, and I'm gonna tell you what's going down. I know, don't get your panties in a wad here, all right? It's not that bad. Back home. Something I have to check because I've been waiting all winter so far. It's not spring, it's still February, but it's close. It's close. I can see it. It's Clyde's burnout. It's still there. It's faint, but it's still there. And then the dig. Remember that? All right, let's get serious. Get back down to the point. Now, you guys are wondering, what the heck is going on with you and Rusty McTruckface? Now, nothing. Nothing is going on with Rusty McTruckface and I. It's just that he found a new home. Why? Well, here's the deal. Why? My brother is, his daughter's 15 now, or is going to be 15, and she needs a rig. So we came to an agreement, and Rusty is going to go live with them. He's going to be leaving here a couple weeks or so, probably. Other than that, he's going to hang out here. Will I drive it? Yeah, maybe. There's a chance. Oh, check this out. These are Ling Longs too. Oh my gosh. A Ling Long. Never heard of them. I got it. Now I have some. Oh Lord. All right. So anyway, that's what's going on with Rusty. Rusty's found a new home because my brother doesn't want to spend a lot of money on the rig, which, hey, that's fine. It's a great truck. Just like I didn't want to spend a lot of money on Peyton's rig too. So I told him that the sticker is going to stay, and he needs to keep the name. He told me that he's not, but look, it's Rusty McTruckface. That's it. So now you know what's going on. Just moving stuff around, you know. I mean, will we miss him? No. We'll just find some other piece of junk, put in its place right there. But anyway, let me go. What you guys think? Any good candidates? Oh, someone's staring at me because I'm talking to myself. She's staring right at me. Yeah, staring at me. Okay, she stopped. All right. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, whatever this was. And stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming up. I promise. I promise. All right. See you next time.